Hello and welcome to the Daily Message. There is a story about the great mystic and contemplative monk Thomas Merton that he talked about in some of his books, some of his writings. There was a time when he said that it was very difficult for him at times to pray. The Trappists at Gethsemane Monastery in Kentucky pray several times throughout the day. The first time that they pray is literally in the middle of the night. And Merton wrote one time that he became embarrassed and frustrated because he would come to prayers and he would fall asleep. And he thought that that was a weakness in his prayer. But then he came to realize, and he wrote this, that the effort to pray is itself a prayer. I think there's wisdom in that little sentence for each of us. There are probably times when all of us become frustrated with our prayer, that we can't focus, or we don't make enough time to pray, or that we get distracted, or we fall asleep, or one of 100 other things. I think there's comfort in the words of Merton that the effort to pray is itself a prayer. And I think, too, we can take comfort in the reading that you see on the screen. Paul says, "Brothers and sisters, the Spirit comes to the aid of our weakness, for we do not know how to pray as we ought, but the Spirit Himself intercedes with inexpressible groanings." I invite you to reflect on that today as you go through your day and as you come to prayer, whenever that might be today. Thank you once again for joining me for the Daily Message.